Let me just share with you what's been happening for the last 3 weeks. I've been thinking about getting a foldable bike, so obviously it's between the three brands. We have the Turn, the TRN, we have the Buddy, and then of course we have the Bromptons. With all the rules coming up, there's a lot of merit to riding a bicycle. Firstly, you can ride it on the roads. Secondly, you get a bit of a workout, and for someone like me, my lifestyle is pretty sedentary, and the fact that I have an e-scooter doesn't really help much in the fitness department. So, and that's the reason why I've decided on buying a foldable bike. At least it's convenient. I can just throw it into the boot of the car if I wanted to. I haven't quite decided if I'm going to be buying the Brompton, but I am quite determined to find something I like. So we'll see what happens. If you guys have the time, if you're interested in getting like the 9-bot, these guys are UL2272 certified, man. So I guess every single device in their shop, especially if it's a 9-bot, do come by, pay them a visit. Extremely helpful.
So the first thing, when you want to unfold your Brompton bike, you should be standing facing the folded pedal. Okay, so the first thing, unfold the pedal first.
Yep.
So from here, just pull down. Okay, very important, because if you skip this step and you try to unfold, you might actually scratch your rear frame. So always remember, pedal unfold first. Next one, your seat post. Extend all the way up. Don't do it halfway. Halfway it prevents the bike from unfolding. So usually we extend all the way. Okay, lock it back. Later you can adjust. There's a strap here, take out. Okay, don't throw away, just strap it back onto the main frame. I'll explain to you what is this for later. Okay, next one, handlebar. From here, push out. Swing up. Okay. Just tighten your clamp here. And tight. Alright. So next one, your front wheel should swing out. So just lift up slightly, your stem right, lift up slightly, bring this forward. Make sure these two metal parts come together. Okay. Then same thing, tighten. Okay, so after that, almost done. Just need to hold your grip and your saddle. Put this backwards. This will auto lock behind. Okay.
Is it
it's locked already. It's not. It's a latch there.
It's a latch.
So after that, you just adjust this one more time. Okay, make sure it's to your waist level. Saddle straight, lock it back, and then you're good to go. Okay, I explain to you the shifting of the gear. Your bell is on your left. Okay, so this is your bell. This is your derailleur shifter. So it controls the two sprocket behind here. So if I push it down, this will be the lighter gear. Up is the higher gear. You can change anytime.
It's just down and up.
Correct. Okay. This one is controls your internal hub, which is your rear hub here. So down there, there's 3 gear. So if I push all the way down here, this is my gear 1. Lightest gear. For climbing hills and slope, you use number 1. Okay. Normal cruising, straight road, you should be in gear 2. This position. Okay. And then of course the heaviest gear, seldom you use this unless you're going down slope. This is 3rd gear.
So cruising, basically.
For this is cruising, So usually the most common one is you put to number 2 for normal riding. Or climbing, number 1. Okay, the thing you need to know about this shifter here is that you can only change it when you are not pedaling. It's not like a road bike or mountain bike. You change and you pedal. But this one, cannot. You can only change when not pedaling.
That means free cruising.
Yes, cruising or stationary.
As long as you're not in a pedal motion.
Correct. So must remember, because if you pedal and you change at the same time, it's not good for your hub. Okay, so don't force. So you can only change it while you're cruising.
This
脚要停住吗？换牙。
对，脚要停住。对了，这边而已，这边不用。只是这边要小心，因为你去压，它就会弄坏它那个 gear 后面。
停住才换。
对了。Okay, so just remember.
So this is
your derailleur shifter. So if you find, let's say this gear you find is too heavy, you drop to light gear. So that's heavy, that's light. Okay. Usually, like let's say now I want to ride, which gear I'll use? Usually I'll put 2 minus. This is a lighter gear. So once my cadence is okay, I'll put to a 2 plus. This is usually the most common use gear So 2 minus to start, 2 plus to cruise. Okay. So folding is just the reverse. There's a clip here. Okay. Push in, lift up. There's a clip. See again, So push in this clip, lift up. Alright, cool. So that will separate. Okay. Turn your handlebar to the left. Must remember, if you don't turn left, later you swing in, will hit your mudguard, you'll crack.
Okay.
So remember, turn left. Okay, then you lift up.
Up.
And then, of course, this is how you stand the bike.
Alright.
Okay? I would recommend usually when you fold, keep your gear to second gear because this is your free gear.
Correct.
When you're in free gear, you can spin your distance freely, you see? You can turn this nicely. So make sure your right pedal points behind
Okay.
because you're going to bring your front wheel in. So once this is done, okay, loosen your hinge, the one at the center. So
Okay.
loosen this,
Yep.
okay, hold the grip here, the stem here, okay, swing this in. Okay,
Yep.
your attention now should be on this black hook. This black hook will hook onto the stem here. So when you push up, okay, you must lift up slightly. Okay, push in all the way, then you drop. So now you see the hook is right in the center. So, correct. So a very common mistake a lot of riders do is they just slam. So as a result, the hook break, $35. Okay,
Alright.
it's $35 to replace. So always do one more time. So just now was like that. So you just hold the stem here, swing in. Okay, push it all the way in, make sure it's on top, drop it down. So now it should rest nicely in the center.
Okay.
Okay, after that, loosen the other hinge. Okay, then the handlebar will swing down. This
Right.
ball will go inside here. Push it in, then it's done.
It would go in.
Yeah, now here, you see? Again, a push out. Make sure this goes inside
Oh.
nicely. Push in.
Oh, okay. There's a little that's a
Alright,
catch. Okay.
That's right. So after that, okay, bring this up. Okay, all the way there. Make sure the other pedal is flush against the tire here. Push it in. Okay, there are two positions here. So make sure the one with the two holes is facing you.
Right.
Okay, so you use your fingers, you push all the way behind, push up. And it's folded.
Done.
If you need to roll the bike, you have to do one thing. And that is to get this strap, go around the frame and the tire. The reason why we do this is because once your bike is unfolded, right? And if this one is extended, your bike will unfold.
Right.
So you need this to actually once you strap this on, you carry, you see, it stays long.
You won't drop down right?
Yeah, correct. See, if I take out, I lift up, you open up. See, you don't want that to happen.
Right.
So you don't want that to happen. Let's say you're doing some MRT, very dangerous, So make sure this is strapped on. Okay? So just strap it on there. When you want to roll the bike, okay, don't do this to turn direction.
Oh.
Because you do this, your block will get worn out. So always lift up. Turn. Then you push on the foam. Very important.
That's a suspension block.
Correct.
Right?
That's your suspension block down there. So if you need to carry, lower the seat post, lock it, carry either by the frame or carry by the saddle. So hold this way.
Cool.
Okay. If you need to put it in the car boot, lean on this side. Always your folded.
Down.
Yes. And then your handlebar must always face up.
Right.
Okay. So you can either stand like this straight or on that side lah.
Cool.
These are the two positions.
Cool.
So maintenance, okay?
Yeah.
Your tire pressure maximum is 100 psi.
Right.
Usually I recommend you can do 90 lah. If you do not want it to be too hard, 90, good enough. Okay, but don't over pump.
Okay.
Okay, after riding for 3 months, come back to the store.
Yep.
We'll do a check and tuning for you.
Okay.
Free lah. Always make sure keep your bike dry. Okay, if let's say if you're caught in the rain, bike
Yep.
soak.
Yeah.
When you get home, open it up. Don't fold it like that. Open
Right.
it up, air dry. Wipe down as much as you can, the chain, everything, air dry. Next morning, afternoon, then you fold.
Right.
Okay? If you find that it's very stiff, like you try to fold the bike, right, it's very stiff, you can come by to our store. Our mechanics will help you to grease the joint area.
Okay.
Usually recommend after riding for about 2-3 years, you might want to do a full servicing.
Okay.
That one is it's not free lah. That one $150. You'll clean out the whole bike.
So you're saying that if you ride through the rain,
Correct.
we are supposed to leave it in this position?
Not
and
this
then dry?
position. The unfolded.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Open
okay.
up lah. Basically
Okay.
open up lah.
Right.
Don't fold it.
Oh.
Open the whole bike.
And let it dry.
Air dry.
So open this up.
Open lah. Open up lah. And then this is folded position. Open up the whole bike. The two wheels standing. Don't do it like that. That means if you do it like that, all the water will get trapped in the joint area. It's not what you want.
Okay.
Yeah, always keep this bike indoor. Don't leave it in the balcony. Don't lock outside also. We've seen customers they lock stolen
Right.
because those people cut run off with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So don't lock. Go where you go lah.
Okay.
Okay, so that's important. Then of course same lah. Your bicycle maintenance once a month at least. Please to lubricate the chain lah. Otherwise when you cycle it will be very dry, very noisy.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's about it. Not much.
Cool. Thanks.
Quite easy
Tommy?
lah. No problem. You know try.
Alright, peeps, no surprises. I got my Brompton and I rolled all the way from Mighty Velo back to Juba. I've added the suspension over here, and I've added a titanium seat post over here, and that's basically what I've done. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. I think the instructional video by Tommy from Mighty Velo was extremely well done. He must have done the folding and unfolding like a gazillion times, so he is the expert on Brompton bikes. I found it extremely useful, which is why I actually asked for permission to put it down on video in the event if I forget how to unfold and fold the Brompton. So having said that, that doesn't mean that I've lost my love for PNVs. You know, I bought the Brompton primarily because I think that I need some cardiovascular exercises. I hate jogging. Maybe that's an excuse, but I'm more of a night person. I don't really want to tire myself out by waking up, you know, in the wee hours in the morning just to ride a bike. But I can ride a bike, you know, when I get home late at night. So that's the primary reason why I got the Brompton. So with that said, that's the end of today's video. You found it useful. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I will be back again soon with another video talking a little bit more about my Ultra, and I might be putting it up for sale. I just want to run through with you the specifications on it, and most likely it will be listed on my website. It will be there for sale, direct bank transfer, credit card, whatever. So watch out for that video, and until then, you guys ride safe, take care. Peace.